That was the situation on Tuesday when the chairperson, Federal Character Commission Hajia Muheeda Dankaka failed to appear before the Ad-Hoc committee investigating federal ministries, departments and agencies, MDAs. There was an uproar when the assumed representative of the chairperson, the commissioner representing Taraba State, Armayau Abubakar, told the House the reason the chairperson of the Federal Character Commission could not attend the hearing.
I wish to apologize that I cannot personally appear because I already have a scheduled medical appointment with my doctor today, 25th July 2023.
The House was further thrown into confusion when the Federal Character representing Delta State, Mr. Moses Nawge, told the House that the chairperson was lying.
The Federal Character Commission chairman, as we speak, is in our office. This has been our usual way of dodging committee invitation. I just want you people to know, as we speak right now, if you send somebody there now, maybe they will call her, send her a message, you will run. As we speak, she's in the office.
This situation made the House to move a motion for all the commissioners to swear an oath and to return to the House with the chairperson Muheeda Dankaka tomorrow, July 26th, for hearing.
This committee ordered the chairman of the Federal Character Commission to appear with all the 37 commissioners tomorrow by 10 a.m., please.
I do solemnly and sincerely swear.
Speaking to ITV News, Honorable Guinea Kator, the Federal Character Commissioner representing Enugu State, described the investigative hearing as a moment of stock-taking.
The 10th Assembly today, in the way it is being administered, shows that they have come to equity in the right sense. And that is to say, even me, where I go faulty, I'm liable before this committee. And where the chairman go faulty, she's liable before this committee.
Organic Victor, ITV News.